Is Lexmark C3326dw color laser printer. Have you been searching for a reliable color laser printer that can handle all of your small business printing needs? Look no further than the Lexmark C3326dw. This compact printer has dimensions that can fit into most spaces with ease, yet it still boasts a tray capacity of up to 250 pages, as well as a single sheet feeder. Setting up the C3326dw is fast and easy, thanks to its standard Wi-Fi connectivity that makes it simple to print from mobile devices. You can also connect via USB or Ethernet and take advantage of mobile support via Lexmark's mobile print app, Mopria, AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print. Security is a top priority for Lexmark, which is why the C3326dw Lexmark's the brand's full-spectrum security architecture keeps your information safe, both on the device and over the network. The C3326dw is capable of printing up to 26 pages per minute with a 1 GHz dual-core processor and 512 megabytes of memory. With standard two-sided printing and a recommended monthly page volume of 600-2500 pages, this printer is designed to meet your needs while saving you time and money. So check out the link in the description box to purchase this printer. That's all for now, but be sure to check out our other videos here on the Sublimation Focus for more helpful tips and printer reviews. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check out the links in the description box to purchase any of these best printers for your small business today to elevate your printing game. And more importantly, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.